Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I am going to be talking about some patterns that I got from Joanne when they had a pattern sale for McCall's and Vogue. I actually wanted to make this video earlier, but I wasn't able to get around to do that, and actually found about the sale pretty late. The night before was when I went on Instagram and I saw Shiri Thomas. So she has a YouTube channel also. I'll link her channel down below. We need to support one another. So yeah, she mentioned it, and so the next day I was off to Joanne. The main reason why I was so interested in finding out what I could get at the pattern sale was because I wanted a blazer pattern. I do have a blazer pattern, but that one doesn't have a collar, and so I actually wanted a blazer pattern that had a collar. The Vogue patterns were all $5.99 and the McCall's was $1.99. So yeah, that is why I went to Joanne to get some patterns. So let's get to the video. So the first pattern I got was this McCall's pattern. This is the McCall's M8034. This was a trend. I mean, this has been a trend for the past maybe 2 years, where you have the square neck and the elastic sleeve. That is what this is. I really like that trend. I tried making that, but I didn't do it well. So when I saw the pattern, I said, why not? Why stress my life if it's already been done for me? Now, the other reason why I got the pattern also is because of the dress. There's so many possibilities when it comes to the dress. You can make a sleeveless dress out of it and also make the sleeves. When I'm getting patterns, I'm thinking about the many outfits I can make out of it. So I don't necessarily go for the style. I'm really looking for basic styles. So when I see that basic style, I am thinking about what I could get out of that style. So that is the mindset that I go with when I am shopping for patterns. So next is this blazer that I got, this blazer pattern. This is a McCall's M7818. I like the fact that this is just a basic blazer, and I like the fact that it has a male also on there. So it means, I don't know, but I think I can probably sew something for a guy, maybe a blazer for a guy. So that is very interesting. I got this in the medium size. This was really the reason why I wanted to get a pattern. Next is this pattern. So this is the M7838, and it is just a basic, well, I wouldn't say basic, but it's a basic. It's a white shirt. It's a shirt. I have a simplicity pattern that is a shirt dress. So for me, I can get a shirt out of that shirt dress. I don't know why I got this. Seriously. I had to justify getting this because I knew that I already had a shirt dress and I can always get a shirt out of that. There are other designs here, and I mean, that's the view A and view B and the view D. I'm not so interested in the view D. I don't like shirts that have the flare sleeves. It's not my style. But then I do like the fact that there's a view A and the view B. The view C, you can always cut the sleeves and do this. So that's not enough justification for getting this pattern. But again, with the shirt dress, I'll have to tweak it. And if a shirt has actually been done for me, why not? So that's why I got it. And again, it was just $1.99. So you cannot blame me, right? Just $1.99. And I can make a shirt dress out of this. I can make the regular shirts, you know, your basic shirt, short sleeves, sleeveless. Again, like I said, I always think about all the many things that I can make out of one pattern. The next pattern that I got is very, very exciting. Well, I think it's a picture that excites me, not the pattern. It is the McCall's R110733. You know, sometimes I hear people say that the number on the shelf is different from the number in the drawer. If I'm correct. If I'm wrong, please, you guys can correct me, and I don't know why it has the R number. The model on the envelope is what made me get this fabric. It made me do it. It's really styled well. This is something I would absolutely wear. I love gold accessories. I really like the tiered skirt, and it's something that is really in right now. I really like this pattern. The next pattern that I got was this Vogue pattern. The Vogue patterns were all $5.99. I love to save my money. So if I have to save money, I will save money, but I couldn't resist. This is really, like, this is me. This is a dress that I'll wear, okay? To work, to church, to, you know, an occasion. Dresses like this, I love. So all three styles, I love them absolutely. And so, I mean, I love them the way they are. For me, most of the time when I see patterns, I'm not really into the patterns. I just get them because of, you know, the basic styles are in there. But these days they're doing really well with the patterns that are coming out. So the patterns are pretty good. And I really like this dress. I used to actually have a dress that is like this. The only thing is it was sleeveless. And it was a dress that was store-bought. I like all these three styles. I said earlier I don't like flare sleeves, but not this kind of sleeve. But the other one with the shirt and that flare and the whole bow thing, it's not my style. I don't like it. But this I really like. I like the high neck. I like all three styles. So definitely I will be sewing them, hopefully. Also, you can get a flare skirt out of this, and you can use the top part and join it to another pattern pants and make a jumpsuit out of it. So you really don't have to buy all the patterns. You just have to buy some basic styles that you like and then combine them with other patterns, and you're good to go. You just have to know the measurements that, you know, each company comes with, because the companies have different sizing, which can be confusing, which I'm still learning. Initially, I didn't like patterns until I watched some videos, images videos. They are so well explained when it comes to these patterns. It helped me understand patterns much better. So the last on the list is this Vogue pattern. It's the V1704. This has a shirt right there, and also the pants. I'm not too crazy about the pants. I do like the way the pants is constructed. I feel like I don't like the pants too much. Maybe if it's high-waisted and then wide legs, I would love it. But with this pencil pants, I don't know. I'm not sure if this style, this whole cut is doing it for me. For the shirt, I do love the shirts. The reason why I got this was for the shirt especially. The pants, I think I can tweak it to my desired style. But yeah, I do really love the shirt, and that's why I got it. Those were 6 patterns that I got. They cost about the price of just one pattern. I am glad I was able to catch this pattern sale. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up or you click the like button. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you like to see videos like this. Let me know what you'd like to see from me. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.